Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. I am Anita and I do videos about our life in Germany. We moved about 8 months ago from India, from Mumbai to Frankfurt. So today I'm going to show you Schwalbach. That's the place we live in. It's about 10 kilometers away from Frankfurt city. So I'm going to pick up my son from school and I would like to take you all along. So this is where I live. It's called Schwalbach. Okay, it's about 10 kilometers away from Frankfurt city and it's about only 25 minutes on the train, so it's hardly anything. Now we're going to pick up my son from school and it is so beautiful. I would love to show it to you all. So it's a nice day today. Actually, it's autumn in Frankfurt, so it's cold, not so hot either. So the train station, can you see Bahnhof? Bahnhof means train station. So this is exactly the walk to my son's school. It's about 1.3 kilometers away and it's a very nice walk. So I thought since the weather is good, we could just walk to my son's school. Today is Friday, so they have school only till 12:30 on Friday, which is nothing. He started school at 9 and he's done by 12:30, which is absolutely nothing. But as I told you, it's very relaxed in Germany. Children are not pressurized and now you get to see it. So this is the walk. It's breezy. It's a little chilly but not very chilly. This is the exact walk. This is exactly how we walk to pick up my son from school. So Schwalbach actually is like a dormitory. These are called dormitory cities, dormitory towns rather. They are a little away from the city, but they are very green and very nice to live in. Very nice to live in. And Germans actually prefer to live outside the city. They don't normally don't prefer to live in the city. They like living in the outside. So they like living in places like Schwalbach. And Schwalbach is a place called Taunus. And Taunus is like a mountain range. It's very green. It's also known as the lungs of Frankfurt. So all the nice fresh air and greenery and everything comes from Taunus. Taunus is where we are now, Schwalbach. So this is actually how it looks. This is just outside my house. I will take you further on and you will realize how nice it is. When I mentioned in my first video that it was nice, I would like you all to see different aspects of our life to really understand how lovely it is. It's really pretty. See, the sky is blue. Very nice. So some more houses here. Very cute looking houses. Sun's out. It's nice and warm also. So every area, like in Germany, has a little, like every area has a small play area also. So here there are a couple of houses and there'll be like a small play area. So this is for obviously very small children. My son is 7 years old. I mean, he's outgrown this. So I'll show you the play area. 1 second. See. So these are the houses. This is like how the houses are. Okay. And this is like the play area for children to play. It's very nice. Some cyclists. People cycle a lot in Germany. Very fond of cycling. Children, middle-aged people, elderly people, everybody cycles. The whole family has like one cycle each. So they're very fond of cycling. They're fond of walking also. But marathon running and walking and all is not as popular as cycling. So this is the neighborhood. This is like a typical neighborhood. And this is only 20 minutes, 25 minutes. In 25 minutes, you're like in the heart of the city. You're on Hauptbahnhof. That's the main train station. It's like, in Mumbai, the VT station. So in 25 minutes, direct train, you will be at Hauptbahnhof. It's very, very nice. This video is somewhat like a walking tour. So there's an option of taking a train also from Schwalbach station, which is 200 meters from my house. We can take a train to Ian's school, that is Schwalbach North station. It's only a 1-minute train ride, but then I thought it would be nice if you all saw the actual walk. And you actually, we're getting to see Schwalbach now. See, open fields, absolutely open. When we used to live in Mumbai, if we had to see something like this, we would have to take a weekend off and go to the neighboring Runawala, Khandala, and then we would see something like this. But you definitely wouldn't live in a place like this. See, just open fields. And here is the main road. You can hear the traffic. In summer, we used to come cycling. So my son, we bought him a cycle. Since everybody cycles in Germany, we bought my son a cycle, and he used to cycle to school in summer. But now, because it's autumn, it's a little... Today is nice, it's sunny, but there are days when it gets a bit cold. So he hasn't been cycling that much. Normally, he used to cycle to school, and it was very, very nice. I hope the camera is capturing the beauty. It looks, in reality, it's really nice. Sometimes camera doesn't really do justice, but you can definitely get an idea of how we live and how our lifestyle is. So here on this bridge, this is probably the only place in Schwalbach where I've seen graffiti. I've never seen graffiti before, at least in Schwalbach. Somehow it says the cake is a lie. I have no idea what that means, and I don't know what it means. I always say I'll Google it, but I never land up Googling it. Some people cycling. So my son's school is this way. You have to go up this way. It's beautiful this side also. One day we'll go this way, okay? This is also very beautiful. So I'll show you around Schwalbach everywhere. So slowly I'll show you everything. But as today I need to pick up my son from school. In 20 minutes his school will be over. So I need to get to the school. We came from there, from that bridge. The cake is a lie. Some offices. Schwalbach does have a few offices. Normally the offices are all in the city. So we reached the train station. If I had to take the train in 1 minute, I would have reached Svalbard North. Okay, Svalbard North. I don't know how to show you Svalbard North. However, we've done the walking, so some youngsters. House is that way. Just 1 minute on the train, 11 minutes to walk from our flat till here. So Samsung has a big office here, and I think many Korean people live in Svalbard, maybe because of Samsung. I don't know what any other things Korean. Samsung is definitely here, so maybe they're employed out here.
75 steps and all these things. So meaning
We've almost reached another 600 meters more, and we'll be at Ian's school. The view from his school is just unbelievable. I hope you all also like it. Samsung. Okay. Now it's all up the. Now we're walking through a business park, like anywhere in the world. In Bombay also you see business parks like this in India. So it's nothing special. So a little bit of a walk through the business park. Actually there's a road out here, but it's under construction. They are doing something. Otherwise you didn't have to go through this business park. We could have just gone straight. Anyways, it's fine. We'll go through the business park. It's fine. Don't have an option right now. So that is Ian's school, and this is the view from his school. So wonderful. Just look at this. When we first came here, we couldn't believe it, that the school was overlooking all of this. I wonder if any of us had schools like this that overlook something like this. I'm seeing the ones, people who studied in Mumbai. I studied in Ooty, so it was very beautiful and green. So it was something like this, but nowhere close to this. It's very, very, very nice. Somehow the camera is not really doing so much justice, but I think you'll have got an idea how nice it is. This is his school, Kinderzeit. They have here schools also have daycare and all that, because when parents are working, you need to keep the kids somewhere. So schools have that after school service. Some play area in this front. There's a big field at the back also in his school, but not sure if we're allowed to go in. Like, oh, that's Ian. See, I think I saw him. Look, that's Ian. Ian, say hi. Don't be stubborn. Who's going to drop you home? Okay, I'm going. That's my son Ian. He's feeling shy. I don't know why he's wearing all the sweaters. So that is his school. I hope you all liked my video. This was the actual walk to his school, and I showed you exactly how it is. If your child went to Kinderzeit, you'd be probably walking the same way. And this is our life in Germany. And as I mentioned earlier, it's very, 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 very beautiful. So if you like my videos, please consider subscribing. If you can forward it to your friends and family, even better. And thank you so much. The last video also, there was a lot of people viewed it, so I'm very thankful for that. And a lot of people also have been messaging me saying that, oh, we never thought about Germany, and now that you've sent us, you've been making these videos, we've suddenly we're beginning to think about Germany. So that was my main aim, and I'm very, very happy that people are actually getting to see Germany, because normally what happens is that, at least at Frankfurt, it's just people just transit through the airport and nobody ever sees the city. So I mean, my videos are probably, you see a little bit more about Germany, and we've just started off, so I'm sure people who've been here longer probably have a much grander lifestyle, but not complaining. I'm very thankful for what we have, and most importantly, I'm thankful that you all guys are watching my videos. Have a great weekend. Thank you. Bye bye.